Welcome to Money Minds. Do you know what wealth management is and why it's crucial in achieving financial goals? Let's try to get a handle on this. At its core, wealth management is a professional service that combines numerous financial services to answer the needs of affluent clients. It's like having an orchestra conductor who ensures every instrument plays its part to create a harmonious symphony, except in this case, the symphony is your financial portfolio. Wealth management is not just about investing your money and hoping for the best, it's about designing a comprehensive, strategic plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's about making your money work for you, not just today but the long run. It's about growing your wealth, protecting it, and planning how it will be distributed in the future. In essence, it's financial planning taken to a whole new level. A wealth manager is a seasoned professional who wears many hats. They're your financial advisor, your investment manager, your tax consultant, and your estate planner, all rolled into one. They guide you through the complex world of finance, offering bespoke solutions tailored to your individual needs. Wealth management is important because it's proactive. It anticipates your financial needs and prepares for them. It takes into account market volatility, tax implications, changing personal circumstances, and estate laws. It ensures that your wealth isn't just sitting idle, but is being actively managed to generate further wealth. Think of wealth management as the captain of your financial ship, navigating through the tumultuous seas of the financial world, steering clear of icebergs, and charting a course towards your financial goals. It's a holistic approach that ensures all aspects of your financial life are working in harmony, giving you peace of mind and securing your financial future. Now that you understand what wealth management is, you might be wondering, who needs this service? So, who benefits from wealth management? Well, if you're thinking that wealth management is reserved for the ultra-rich, you may want to reconsider. While it's true that high net worth individuals often turn to wealth managers to oversee their substantial assets, the benefits of wealth management can extend to a much broader demographic. Let's take retirees, for instance. After years of hard work, they've built up a nest egg, and they want it to last. A wealth manager can help them navigate complex retirement plans, optimize pension payouts, and balance their investment risk with their need for steady income. Moreover, wealth management helps retirees with tax planning, ensuring they don't pay a penny more than necessary. Business owners too can significantly benefit from wealth management. Running a business is a full-time job, and owners often don't have the time or expertise to manage their personal wealth effectively. Wealth managers can help them separate personal and business finances, plan for the business's future, and even prepare for eventual succession or sale. And what about young professionals? They may not have amassed a fortune yet, but they're on the way. A wealth manager can help them lay a solid financial foundation, guiding them in investing wisely, saving for retirement, and planning for major life events such as buying a house or starting a family. Remember, wealth management isn't just about investment advice. It's a comprehensive approach to financial health, taking into account everything from estate planning to tax strategies. So, whether you're a retiree wanting to protect what you've earned, a business owner needing to balance multiple financial responsibilities, or a young professional just starting to build your wealth, a wealth manager can be an invaluable ally. So far, we've discussed what wealth management is and who needs it. Next, we'll delve into how it works. Curious about how wealth management works? Let's unravel the mystery. Wealth management is more than just investing money. It's a comprehensive approach that starts with understanding a client's financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences. Each of these elements is key to developing a personalized financial strategy designed to grow wealth and achieve long-term financial goals. First off, understanding a client's financial goals is crucial. It's like setting the destination on a GPS. Goals might include saving for retirement, buying a home, funding children's education, or leaving a legacy. Each goal comes with its own set of requirements, timelines, and risks, which a wealth manager takes into account when crafting a financial plan. Next, we consider risk tolerance. Just as every person has a different comfort level when it comes to roller coasters, every investor has a different comfort level when it comes to financial risk. The wealth manager's job is to determine how much financial risk a client is willing to take. This is done through a comprehensive analysis of the client's financial situation, their life stage, and their personal attitudes towards risk. Then, we move on to investment preferences. Some clients might prefer investing in real estate, while others might favor stocks or bonds. Some might be passionate about sustainable investing, while others might prioritize high-growth sectors. A wealth manager takes these preferences into account, ensuring the investment strategy aligns not only with the client's financial goals, but also with their values and interests. With these three elements in place, the wealth manager can now develop a strategic financial plan. This plan serves as a roadmap, guiding the client's investment decisions. It details what assets to invest in, when to invest, and how much to invest, all in line with the client's goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences. But the work doesn't stop there. The wealth manager also oversees the execution of the plan, managing investments and making adjustments as needed. This might involve rebalancing the portfolio, managing tax liabilities, or adjusting the investment strategy in response to market changes or shifts in the client's life circumstances. Regular reviews are another key part of the process. Just as a car needs regular tune-ups to keep running smoothly, a financial plan needs regular reviews to ensure it remains aligned with the client's goals. During these reviews, the wealth manager and client assess the progress made towards the financial goals and make any necessary adjustments. Wealth management may sound complex, but with the right guidance, it can be a powerful tool in financial planning. Let's summarize what we've discussed. Let's revisit the important points we've covered in this video. Wealth management, as we've learned, is a comprehensive approach to handling one's finances. It involves not only managing assets and money, but also strategizing their growth to achieve financial goals. The role of manager, a certified professional, is instrumental in this process. They provide expert financial advice and services, typically to individuals with a high net worth. But remember, wealth management isn't exclusively for the affluent. It's for anyone who aspires to optimize their financial resources. So, who needs wealth management? Well, if you've got financial goals that you're aiming to reach, or if you're seeking ways to protect and grow your wealth, wealth management could be the key. It's particularly important for those with a significant amount of assets, as managing these can become complex. But even if you're just starting to build your wealth, getting the right advice early on can set you on a path to financial success. Now let's recall how wealth management works. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Rather, it's a tailored strategy that takes into account your unique financial situation, goals, and expertise. The range of services offered by a wealth manager is vast, and can include investment, retirement, tax, and estate planning, among others. The benefits of wealth management are manifold. It helps in achieving financial goals, whether they are short-term or long-term. It's about protecting your wealth, ensuring that your assets are not only preserved, but also grow over time. And it's about planning for the future, making sure that you and your loved ones financially secure in the years to come. Choosing a wealth manager is a crucial decision and one that should be made carefully. Consider factors such as their certifications, fees, and investment strategies. And remember, there are alternatives out there like robo-advisors and index funds, if a traditional wealth manager isn't the right fit for you. In conclusion, wealth management is a powerful tool in the financial world. It's about more than just managing money, it's about strategizing for growth, protecting your assets, and planning for a secure future. It's a journey, and like all journeys, it can be complex and challenging. But with the right guidance, it can also be incredibly rewarding. Remember, wealth management is not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to take control of their financial future. Seek the advice of a professional to help you navigate your financial journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on wealth management.